Let's clarify what downloading a TikTok live stream as an APK actually means. An APK, which stands for Android Package Kit, is a file format used specifically for installing applications on Android devices. You cannot directly download a TikTok live video as an APK. TikTok live streams are video content, while APKs are designed for apps. These are completely different file types. What you might be looking for is how to save or record a TikTok live video for later viewing. Officially, TikTok doesn't provide a direct download option for live streams during the broadcast. However, there are alternative methods we'll discuss in the next section to achieve a similar result, saving the live content for later viewing. Note that downloading or recording content without the creator's permission might violate TikTok's terms of service and could raise ethical concerns. Since downloading TikTok live streams as APKs isn't possible, let's explore legitimate ways to save these streams. One effective method is using screen recording software or built-in apps on your device. On Android devices, you can use the built-in screen recorder. Pull down the notification panel, find the screen recorder icon, often marked with a video camera symbol, and tap to start recording before the live stream begins. The recording will capture everything on your screen, including the TikTok Live. On iOS devices, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. You'll see a screen recording icon, usually a white circle inside a gray circle. Tap it to start recording before the live begins, and tap again to stop when the stream ends. You can also find third-party apps or websites specifically designed to record live streams. However, exercise caution when using these tools. Always research the app thoroughly, read user reviews, and be aware of potential security risks or reliability issues. Remember these important considerations. Be aware of your device's storage limitations, as screen recordings can take up significant space. Recording quality depends on your device's capabilities. Most importantly, always respect the content creator's rights and avoid distributing recorded content without their explicit consent. Screen recording offers a legitimate and straightforward way to save TikTok live streams while respecting the platform's rules and content creator rights.